Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a bison tenderloin. These instructions also apply to other red game meats. Red game meats are cooked very similar to beef with a few notable changes. So for the most part, we're going to be following the same instructions as my pan-fried ribeye steak video. I'll show you where it's different though. Let's take a look what we need to make it, alright? First, today, I'm using a bison tenderloin steak around 250 grams. You're also going to need 25 to 30 grams of butter, salt, and pepper. I like really paring back the seasoning for game meat. Allow the flavor of the meat to shine through. Don't hide it behind herbs and spices. So that's why I'm just using salt and pepper today. Season both sides with salt and pepper.
Don't ask why I'm ready, but I'm ready to strike them down now. Action so the new starts. There's no time for indecision.
In addition to paring back the seasoning to just salt and pepper, the other big change with red game meat is how you cook it. Game meat tends to be much more lean than beef, which is farmed. So you want to cook it less because there's less fat to melt and make it tender. If you overcook game meats, they get very tough and dry. So no matter what you would normally cook beef to, you want to cook red game meats to about a medium rare. Melt and brown the butter just like you would with a pan-fried ribeye.
Had a selling my word of conflict. One goes what keeps me going. Take back when the lost to the bosses of greed and fear. Don't ask why I'm ready, but I'm ready to take them down now. The time for a new start is constantly drawing nearer.
And sear and cook the steak as you would the pan-fried ribeye of beef. Remember, medium rare at most, otherwise it's going to be tough and dry. Since this is quite a thick cut of meat, let's do the last minute on the ends to seal them and give them a bit of color.
Gotta clear my head of anger and greed. A place to refresh heart and mind. Can I find some?
And it's done. And just like a pan-fried ribeye, drizzle the juices over top.
When the hope of new beginnings burned our feet, now we need it.
As you can see, you don't have to be scared of red game meat. It's very similar to beef, just two simple things. Let the flavor of the meat shine through and don't overcook it. Today I'm serving my bison tenderloin with Mom's Dead simple roasted potato and a romaine heart with Bubba's creamy garlic dressing. And there you have it, bison tenderloin and other red game meats. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, And down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.